Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Books and Pizza, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Falguni Thakkar and today I'm going to be unboxing the May Glamego box. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so I was really stunned by this month's packaging. Like the previous month's packaging was already cute, but this month it just got cuter and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it too. So I'm showing it to you in 3, 2, 1 and ta-da! This is how the May Glamego box looks like. I absolutely love the piggies and the foxes, dogs, cats, everything. It just looks so cute. And this is how it looks from the side, the usual Glamego logo. And when you open it, you have something like this. This is actually a Mother's Day edition and hence it's turned Love You Mom. So when you open, you get like 2 cards inside. The first one is about the hashtag Date with Mom, which you can use on your Instagram, Facebook and stuff. And the second one reveals the details of all the products inside. So if you do not know, Glamego is a subscription box where you pay Rs 399 per month to get makeup and skincare products worth Rs 2000 or more. And if you take a 12-month bulk subscription, you have to pay only Rs 299 for 1 month. So let's get with the products. So the first product that they have here is the Voltray Multivitamin and Rejuvenating Night Cream, and the original cost is Rs 1550 and this is how it looks. I have been trying this since past couple of nights and to be honest, I'm loving the consistency. This actually feels like luxury. Like this is a luxury product and it actually feels very luxurious on your skin. Like when you apply it, the smell is beautiful and the texture, like what to say, the thickness of the cream is also absolutely fine. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's just perfect for the night as a night cream. Okay, so the second product that we have over here is a Rohoto Acne's Menthol Cool Pimple Defense Face Wash, and this is how it looks. It costs Rs 99 and it is actually Japan's #1 acne care brand. Quite impressed. Okay, so here it says that it removes 99% of the pimple causing germs and also absorbs excess sebum. So I'm going to try this out and probably I'll post a review on this whether I liked it or not. This is how it looks. Here's a close-up. So the next product that we have over here is a See Your Secrets lip scrub, and I have used some of the See Your Secrets product in the past and to be honest I have loved those products. So I'm really eager to try this out. And this is how it looks. It's kind of a tiny tub. It contains dates, so it does smell like dates, and this costs for Rs 261 and the amount is 8 grams. So that is pretty good. I'm actually eager to try this out, so let's see. So the next product that we have over here is the Bella Voste lipstick and it costs Rs 225. So this is how the lipstick looks from the outside. The packaging is a standard Bella Voste packaging and I'm in the shade Warm Tan, which is 04 Warm Tan, and this is a satin finish lipstick. I have always been a huge fan of the Bella Voste lip products, so let's see how this works. This is how it looks and the color, I'll give you a swatch. It's actually like you can't see it from here, but it's quite sheer actually, so you have to apply 2 to 3 layers. So it has a satin finish and the color is absolutely gorgeous. Like I loved the shade. So for the last product we have the Bella Voste nail polish and it costs Rs 249. Now you have a variety of options in this. You can choose any nail pin that you like, and the one I chose is this metallic cream color. I do love the color, but I'm not really sure how it will look on my nails because it's metallic. So to be very honest, I had a very bad experience in the past with the Bella Voste nail paints. Like they are so translucent when you apply it, they don't even last very long and they chip off very easily. So I don't know, I have like mixed comments over this. So I'm going to post a swatch on Instagram if you guys want to see it. My Instagram ID is Beauty Books and Pizza. The link will also be in the description box below. And one more thing, I just posted a Sonam Kapoor wedding look inspired makeup tutorial on my Instagram. So if you want to check it out, you can again just follow me or you can just watch the video if you want. The link is again in the description box. So that was it for the products, and I must say that I really loved all the products. Like every time I have issue with a couple of products, but this month I'm really eager to try them all. So if you guys loved it too, then you can have your own subscription box. I'll have Glamego's website linked down in the description box if you guys want to subscribe. And till then, I'll see you guys later. If you guys like the video, then please do give this video a thumbs up, and also if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.